Hi guys, my name is Ogo and I'm from Geekline. So today I'm going to present you another component from our portfolio. The component is called timeslot-calendar and is part of the product scheduler. So yeah, as the name says, the component represents an appointment calendar which you can expose on your website and you can control through your Geekline dashboard. I have already embedded it in our demo page. So as you know, it's a demo.geekline.org, and so for those who have seen our earlier podcasts, they remember here we have shown how we can embed some components like article, like image only and text only, and so on. For those who haven't seen it, they can always take a look. On the blog menu they can see our very simple but very tiny and nice blog component and blog list component, and the component which I'm going to present today, the timeslot calendar, is embedded in the contact menu. As you can see, it's a very simple calendar. You can see here the year and the month, and through the buttons you can navigate back and forth. And also, as you can see here, there are some icons which are colored red and green. So green, it means that there are still some free slots. Red means that there are some occupied slots. As you can see here on 18th, for example, there are a couple free and one occupied slot, and there are a lot of days where everything is gray. When everything is gray, it means there is no free slot. It means the timeslot calendar owner haven't given any of these slots for appointments. So even when we click here, nothing will happen. The control of the calendar is done from the dashboard, but you can also embed it on your web page. Of course, you have to be careful, because when you embed the calendar in the admin mode, so it means that everybody will be able to manipulate your appointments. So that's why we are offering it on the Geekline dashboard, and for those who are a little bit more advanced, they can embed it on their web pages. But they have to take care about the protection. On the Geekline web page, we are taking care of the protection. As you know, to be able to log into the dashboard, you need to authorize yourself. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So you know the Geekline web page, and also you know that you have to sign in. Today I will sign in as a demo. Let me see if I remember the password. Yeah, it looks correct. And as you can see, I have already here the schedule product in my dashboard. It means I have ordered it earlier, but for those who would like to order it, they can go on the product page, and then they can just click on the button. Of course, here I'm getting error because from one side I have already added this instance to my portfolio, and there is no possibility to have them twice. Good, let's go forward with our scheduler. As I said, when you go here to manage the product scheduler, you will see the same calendar, the same time slot calendar, but this one is in administrative mode. So it means you will be able now give time slots free, and also to edit them, or if you like, to delete them. For example, for today, or from the 25th, it's a Friday, I can give, for example, 2 more slots free, 11 and 12 o'clock, for example. And if we go on the web page and refresh, now we will see that on the 25th there are some more free slots, and if I would like to occupy one of them, this will be possible. So there is one more thing what I would like to talk about, and this is the occasion or the reason why the customers would like to have the appointment. If but by default it's an edit field and everybody can type whatever he wants. Of course this is not recommended, because nobody wants to have customers which are writing nonsense. If you want to restrict a little bit the choice of the customers, then you can go to the dashboard on the Geekline page, and then you can go to the settings, and there you have the possibility to restrict a little bit the field of, or the reasons which the customers can select. And let me write something like for example, if I am the owner, probably some users would like to talk to me about HTML, some others would like to talk about JavaScript, for example, and some other probably Python, let's say. So when I add all these restrictions, then I have to upload is successful, and when I go to my web page again, hit the refresh button. So here you can see that now we have one select box, and the customer can select what is the reason for his appointment. Let's say HTML, let's write some name and some email, write my private email address, and of course you can put some description, something like this. So when you hit the occupy, as you can see, the field gets occupied, and if you go to the dashboard also, you can see that also here in the manage screen of the dashboard of the calendar, we have also the time slot occupied, and here we can see the information about the appointment. Apart from this, we are going to receive email, and what you can do as an admin here, you can of course delete this appointment. So if you, for example, have instantaneously something else to do, then you can delete it, and you can give it again free, or you can do nothing, just canceling it. So let me take a look if the email has already arrived. Exactly. So here the owner account has received an email that on 25th at 12 o'clock some customer with name, some name and email address has requested to have an appointment, and on my other email address where I'm playing the customer, so here I have received also an email that on 25th I have an appointment 12 o'clock. So it's pretty simple, but it's really useful, and in the future we are going to come with some more features for users which would like to have additional restrictions. For example, they can expose the time slot calendar on their websites, and the users can make a request for appointment, and then the request should be first approved by the owner or in the future we are planning also to introduce additional options, for example for for time slot calendar owners which would like to have prepaid appointments and stuff like this. But this is still in the future currently, and the options which our time slot calendar is offering are just appointments and information through the email. As I said, this is very simple but very useful functionality. And as all our components, embedding them on your web page is very easy. As always, you can see how it goes when you go on our documentation page. So here on the dashboard or on the main page, you can hit Explore, and then our documentation will open. Okay, let's open the documentation in a new tab. And then in documentation, you can just go to our cloud web components, or even search for time slot calendar component, and then here you can see how to embed. It's as most of the components, it's pretty easy. You will just have to put the component and your instance key, which you can see in the dashboard when you have ordered, of course, the product scheduler, and here in the dashboard you can see your instance key. So this is what you have to take care. You have to put it in the component. And one more thing, what you have to take care is, of course, you have to import our components. It is in the GL Cloud Web Components scheduler product and scheduler bundle, and as always for the other components, we need to have reference to Vue.js and also to Bootstrap Vue. And here we have something new. This is the Bootstrap Vue icons, because the time slot calendar components is using these tiny icons, but in the future we'll have more and more components which are going to include icons, so you will have to get used to it. But in mainly it's really simple and nothing special. If the time slot component is available from the version 0018, but we are recommending to use the version 0025 because it's a much more mature version, and it's a stable one, and based on this version in the future we are going to improve the product and bring some more features, and yes, the version 25 is a good one, so you can rely on it. I think that was all regarding this component. As I said, pretty easy to use, pretty intuitive. Take a look on our demo webpage, demo.geekline.org. You have to select the contact menu. You can do some appointment, but don't complain if I don't take the appointment seriously, because this is just a demo website, is not official web page. And if you like to have some more information, you can contact me directly. You know me, you know our Facebook webpage, and you can also write me an email on ivanov@geekline.org. So I think that was all from my side for this session. If there is something more, you can write your comments under the YouTube video, and we can have discussion. If there is something more is needed, I will be very happy to give some more information or even to do some some new videos and some extended videos. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for watching us. Please take a look on our videos, like our videos, and write comments. All the feedback will be appreciated, and I will try, of course, to respond to all of your wishes and all of your needs. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you again soon. Bye bye.